Welcome to my YouTube channel, ItBloom. I am Shakti Prasad Singh. Here I am coming with the GIMPS tutorial, which is used for the editing of digital photograph or chemical photograph. You can use it to edit and manipulate the photographs. So let's start. We will learn the GIMPS.
Let us discuss about toolbox in GIMP. Open an image and click on the rectangle select tool present on the toolbox or use the keyboard shortcut R. Select the tool from the menu bar by clicking on the tool, then go to Selection Tools and then go to Rectangle Select Tool. Move the mouse to the image window. You will notice that the mouse pointer changes into a rectangular shape. Drag the mouse over the image to get the selection and release the mouse button when the required image is selected. Observe the running dotted line outlines the selection. You will find 4 rectangular corners inside the selection called as resizing handles. These handles allow you to resize the selected image. After modifying the selection, to exit the editing mode, either single click inside the selection or press the Enter key. Free Select Tool, Lasso. Select the Free Select tool in the toolbox or use the keyboard shortcut F. Or select the Free Select tool from the menu bar by clicking the tools, then go to Selection Tools and then go to Free Select option. Drag the mouse around the part of the image which is to be selected. When you reach the first point again and hover over it, the first point will change color. Click on it and the selection will be made automatically. Fuzzy Select Tool, Magic Wand. Open the image and click on the Fuzzy Select tool in the toolbox or press the keyboard shortcut U. You can also click on the Tools menu, then go to Selection Tools and then go to Fuzzy Select tool. The shape of the mouse pointer changes to a magic wand. Click on any part of the image. The adjacent area of pixels having same color gets selected. Select by Color tool. Open the image and click on the Select by Color tool in the toolbox or press the Shift+O key combination. You can also select the tool from the menu bar by clicking the tools, then go to Selection Tools and then go to By Color Select option. Click anywhere on the purple color of the image. The entire area similar to the selected pixel colors gets selected. Scissors Select tool. Open the image and click on the Scissors Select tool in the toolbox or use the shortcut key I. To select the area of an image, start by left-clicking the mouse on the edge of the image. Keep clicking on the boundary of an area and add nodes along the outline. The line between the points is the path of the selection. You can adjust the selection by dragging the control nodes on the outline. When the selection is complete, left-click on the first control node to close the selection. To exit the editing mode, press Enter key. To use the selected part in another image, you can use the Edit, then go to Cut, Ctrl+X key combination. Remember, to obtain more accurate selection, you have to add more number of control nodes. Foreground Select tool. Open an image and select the Foreground Select tool from the toolbox. The mouse pointer changes into lasso icon. Roughly select the foreground you want to extract by dragging the mouse pointer around the object. Select as little as possible from the background. As soon as you release the mouse button, the non-selected part of the image is covered with a dark blue mask. The mouse pointer changes to paintbrush shape. Draw a continuous line through the selected foreground using the paintbrush. When you release the mouse button, all non-selected areas will be covered with the dark blue mask. Press Enter key to get the required selection.
Subscribe my channel. Please subscribe it now, like it, and press the bell icon and share as many as you can.